Behold the future! Introducing aBlocks, the powerful flexible page builder for WordPress Gutenberg, crafted by the experts behind Academy LMS. With a vast library of powerful, customizable blocks and an intuitive dashboard, control is at your fingertips. You have all you need to create stunning pages effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, get ready to create, innovate, and transform with aBlocks. Take full control with the advanced block control panel, featuring custom CSS, Z-index, box shadow, transform, and more. Enjoy precise design customization like never before, giving you total creative freedom. Speed matters. aBlocks is optimized for fast performance, so your site loads in a flash. Work smarter, not harder. Copy and paste styles directly from Figma to aBlocks for a seamless design flow. You can easily copy colors, typography styles, shadows, and more, making design faster and easier than ever before. Generate assets in an instant, boosting your workflow and efficiency with our asset generation feature. Need to duplicate styles? With just one click, copy and paste block styles across your pages. Your designs are fully responsive, adjusting beautifully across all devices. Add life to your pages with dynamic motion effects that captivate your audience. Easily create smooth animations and interactions that grab attention. Get creative with advanced masking for a professional, polished look. Enhance your visuals with custom shapes. Need time for updates? Activate the built-in maintenance mode with a click. And of course, enjoy native integration with Academy LMS. Developers, we've got you covered. Block API v3 support ensures full flexibility. Plus, aBlocks works with any theme, giving you limitless design freedom. Ready to elevate your website? Unlock the power of aBlocks today.